How to claim your token on Pinksale after pre-sale. Welcome to Glitz Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. Before we begin, make sure that the pre-sale for the project you participated in has successfully concluded. Pinksale will typically display the status of the pre-sale on the project page. Now, if you want to claim your token on Pinksale after pre-sale, you first of all want to head over to the Pinksale website. Then you want to locate the project you participated in during the pre-sale. You can search for it using the project name or by browsing through the launches section on the Pinksale website. Now click on the project you invested in to access its dedicated project page on Pinksale. On the project page, look for a button labeled Claim Tokens, Claim Vesting, or similar wording. This button might be located towards the top of the page or within a dedicated claim section. Now click on the Claim Tokens button and follow the on-screen instructions to connect the crypto wallet you used during the pre-sale. This typically involves selecting your wallet type and authorizing the connection through your wallet app. Depending on the project and your wallet setup, you might need to approve a transaction on your wallet app to initiate the claiming process. Once your wallet is connected and any approval are granted, click on the claim button again to confirm claiming your token. The claiming process might take few minutes. You should see a confirmation message once your token has been successfully transferred to your connected wallet. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.